everyone, in today's video I'm showing you a super quick and simple way to check out your YouTube Wrap for 2025. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's get right into it. First off, grab your browser and head over to youtube.com. Once you're there, in the address bar, type this in /recap, so it should look like youtube.com/recap. Pretty simple, right? Now once you press enter, it might take a few seconds, but you'll be greeted with a page saying, looking for your 2025 recap. If the feature is available for you yet, you'll get an option to open YouTube. Go ahead and click that. After clicking that, your YouTube Wrapped should appear. If it's ready for you, it might take a little while for everyone to get it, as YouTube rolls this out in waves, so don't panic if it's not there yet. That's it, it's that simple. Drop a comment below if you've been able to access your YouTube Wrap, or if you're still waiting for it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next one.